basic kiss, so you can cross me off that list. But if you're unsure, I insist you keep me on a little longer. I'd like to like you like before.
Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be just organizing my makeup. I will put everything back to where it belongs and try to make it make sense for me. I'm gonna be organizing my current unit where I store all my makeup, but then you kind of will see how I shift everything towards these acrylic containers that I got from Marchalls, and I just wanted to make everything more accessible to me once I'm filming and everything reachable. So you first will see how I put everything in this white unit, and then I change it up and put it in the acrylic containers, which is like more reachable to me, and I can put it in my table, and once I'm filming I can just reach everything out in there. So I will be playing some music for you guys, and hopefully you love this video, and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you loved it. Thank you.
I'm gonna dive right in and see the sparks ignite. You know that it's right. Heaven hold us in ecstasy. It's contagious. My heart is sweet. Embrace this new rush, and we will be forever dreaming. Now can't you see?
In this part right here, I'm just organizing some of my paperwork as well as my art classes that I gave, and just to get rid of all this clutter in here so I can use this as a backdrop once I'm ready for it.
The fire deep inside, the time of your life, you know that it's right.
Here are some of those acrylic containers that I was talking about, and so here I will be organizing some of the things that I will be needing close to me once I'm filming for you guys.
And we will be forever dreaming. Now can't you see? Heaven hold us in ecstasy. It's contagious. My heart is sweet. Embrace this blue rush, and we will be forever dreaming. Now can't you see? Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on the way. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. Cause space makes me sad. Cause space makes me sad.
And here I'm just choosing the products that I reach the most, that I wanted to be close to me whenever I'm filming, and then I just wanted to have it for an everyday if I wanted to. So I'm just gonna be doing exactly that, picking up my favorite products to put them in close to me.
I'm hiding just behind the stars, but how come the stars don't shine when it's day? How come the sky at night makes me this way? Why you so far away?
And this is how we are reaching the end of this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, how quickly and easy it was to move everything. I know my collection is small, a small one, but still I wanted to have everything reachable and accessible for me to make my life easier once I'm putting out content for you guys. Thank you so much, and please hit that subscribe button if you like this video.
But first I've got to be sure, because if